number first.
By you. You tell you say take the number give me.
Guys, now I'm tired. I'll go on a date with whoever gets here first.
Princess, really?
Okay, I dey come. Mame, feel me tank mama wati.
Boss, fill my tank with Super XP Raw 95.
Well up with Super XP Raw 95 and Diesel XP high performance products from Goyle.
Sorry, Tony got here first, so I'm stepping with him.
Oh,
Cut him.
hey, go for na buajungwa mami.
Choose Super XP Raw 95 and Diesel XP for an energizing driving experience. Always go for Goyle Super XP Raw 95. Goyle, good energy.
Goyle is good energy.
Ohima, no be that.
Hello and welcome to the contestants. Ghana Senior High Tamale represented by
Hudu Abdul Isha Al-Haji. Nauru Sagwaru Bendore.
Yendi Senior High represented by
Atanga Emmanuel
and
Agaliba Emmanuel.
Notre Seminary Senior High School represented by
Ashina Levi
and
Kabasiru.
Okay. St. Charles Minor Seminary Senior High School represented by
Ndumuatang of Samuel
and
Joshua Ayarga.
Okay. So this one is Upper East versus Northern. The Goyle Regional Championship is proudly sponsored by Goyle. With support from Joy News, we also acknowledge the support from CHAS in preparing these brilliant students for the competition. I am Dr. Anita Upon, your quiz mistress, and this is a Primetime production. This contest has 4 rounds. We'll start from round 1. In round 1, the questions is to each school. Contestants, you have 10 seconds. Okay, can I go on? All right. 10 seconds or 30 seconds within which to give an answer. If you give a correct answer, maximum of 3 points. If it's incorrect, I may pass the question on for a bonus. And the first school to press the bell gets the opportunity to answer. If it's correct, 1 point. Incorrect, a deduction of 1 point. Are we on the same page? I start from Ghana Senior High School, Tamale. But it's a preamble to all schools. Find the real value of x such that Find the real value of x such that Ghana Senior High Tamale, x to the power x equals 4 to the power 192.
So x is equal to 64.
Yes. Yendi Senior High. X to the power x equals 6 raised to the power 648.
$36.
Incorrect. Yes, Ghana Senior High for a bonus.
X is equal to 216.
Yes. Notre Dame Seminary Senior High School, x to the power x equals 7 raised to the power 1029.
X is equal to 343.
Yes. St. Charles Minor Seminary. X raised to the power x equals 5 raised to the power 375.
X equal 125.
Yes. Preamble. Preamble. Based on the ground state election configuration. Based on the ground state election configuration. Ghana Senior High Tamale. How many unpaired electrons are in an atom of silicon?
So we have 2.
2. Yendi. How many unpaired electrons are in an atom of sulfur?
One.
Incorrect. Ghana Senior High Tamale.
3.
No. Notre Dame. How many unpaired electrons are in an atom of potassium? Yes.
We have 1.
1. St. Charles Minor. How many unpaired electrons are in an atom of scandium?
Three.
Incorrect. Yes, Notre Dame for a bonus.
1.
1. Preamble. Find the linear momentum at time t equals 2 seconds of a particle of mass m and position vector r with respect to t, assuming exact values throughout. Find the linear momentum at time t equals 2 seconds of a particle of mass m and the position vector r with respect to t, assuming exact values throughout. Ghana Senior High, m equals 3 kilograms, r with respect to t equals 3t squared I meters per second squared.
So 36 I kilogram meter per second.
Yes. Yendi, m equals 2 kilogram and r with respect to t is 4 t cubed j meters per second cube.
So the answer is 96 J kilogram meter per second.
Yes. Notre Dame, m equals 1 kilogram and r with respect to t equals 5t squared j meters per second squared.
Okay. 20. So we have 20 J kilogram meters per second.
Yes. St. Charles Minor, m equals 2 kilograms, r with respect to t equals 2 t cubed I meters per second cube. Yeah.
I kilogram meter per second.
That is incorrect. Yes, for a bonus.
40
Ghana Senior High.
48 I kilogram meter per second.
Yes. Another preamble. In a heartbeat, Ghana Senior High, Tamale, what does the term systole refer to?
It refers to the contraction of the heart muscles.
I'll take it. Yendi Senior High, what causes the lab sound?
When the atrioventriculus is closed.
I'll give 2 out of 3. Notre Dame, what causes the dab sound?
When the valves of the heart close.
No. For a bonus. Okay. St. Charles Minor, Why is it possible to use atrial pulse rate to determine heart rate? I should repeat the question. Hey. For a bonus, I took my time to read, so I cannot repeat it. So the first one, which they got contraction of the heart, chambers, muscles. Then the lab, it's vibrations of the heart when the arterial ventricle valves close. That's why I gave 2 out of 3. It's the vibrations that makes it, okay? That gives the sound. Then the dab, vibration due to the closing of the semi-lunar valves. You said valves closing. There are so many valves, so which one? All right. Then the last one, because there is 1 arterial pulse per ventricular systole. Okay. A preamble. Solve the cubic inequality. Solve the cubic inequality. Ghana Senior High Tamale. X squared multiplying x minus 3 in a bracket, okay, greater than 0.
So x is such that x is greater than 3.
Yes. Yendi, x bracket open, x minus 2 bracket close squared, multiplying bracket open x plus 3 bracket close less than 0.
X is less than minus 3.
Incorrect.
Or x.
Ghana Senior High.
X is such that negative 3 less than x less than 2.
Incorrect. Notre Dame, bracket open, x plus 2, bracket close, squared, multiplying bracket open, x minus 6, bracket close, greater than 0.
So we have x greater than 6 or x less than negative 2.
Um, 2 out of 3. All right. You hold on. This one, let me consult on the answer, okay? Then, St. Charles Minor, x minus 3, like, okay, let me, bracket open, x minus 3, bracket close, squared, bracket open, x plus 1, bracket close, less than 0.
X is greater than minus 1 and x is also greater than 3.
Incorrect. For a bonus, Okay. So the first one which was given was correct. The second one, x is such that x is less than -5. The third one, x is such that x is greater than 6. The last one, x is such that x is less than -1. Notre Dame gave me 2 answers, so I want to consult before. Moving on. Preamble. An organic compound has the molecular formula C4H8. Give the systematic name of one possible structure of this compound. An organic compound has the molecular formula C4H8. Give the systematic name of this one possible structure of this compound. Ghana Senior High, Tamale. Give me one.
So, has cyclobutane.
Yes. Yendi.
2-methyl propane.
2-methyl
Propane.
propane. No. Yes, Notre Dame.
But2-in.
But2-in. St. Charles Minor.
But3-in.
Incorrect. So the correct name for the one you just gave, it's rather but1-in. Okay? So we have 1-butene or but1-in, 2-butene or but2-in, then 2-methyl-1-propene, propene, or 2-methyl-propene, okay? Then we have cyclobutane, which you mentioned, then methyl cyclopropane. Ghana Senior High, Tamale. Find the potential energy of a spring of spring constant 25 Newton per meter when its elongation is 4.0 millimeters.
So we have 2.0 by 10 to the power -1 joules.
Incorrect. For a bonus? Yes, St. Charles.
2.0 times 10 to the power -4 joules.
Yes. Yendi. Find the spring constant of a spring whose potential energy is 0.16 millijoule when its elongation is 8.0 millimeters.
Spring constant. 20 Newton per meter.
Incorrect.
Is it not 20 Newton meter?
Who pressed for the bonus? Yes, St. Charles.
5.0 Newton per meter.
Yes. Notre Dame. Find the potential energy of a spring constant 75 Newton per meter when its elongation is 4.0 millimeters.
Then divided by 2. So we have 6.0 joules.
Incorrect. Yes, Ghana Senior High for a bonus. Leave it.
6.0 by 10 to the exponent -4 joules.
That's correct. Your major question, St. Charles Minor. Find the spring constant of a spring whose potential energy is 0.064 millijoules when its elongation is 4.0 millimeter. Meters.
.0 Newton per meter.
Incorrect. For a bonus. Okay. So the answer is 8.0 Newton per meter. The last set of questions for round 1. Ghana Senior High, Tamale. What is the language origin of the word hormone?
Latin.
No. For a bonus. If it's not Latin, what is it? Greek. Okay. Yendi Senior High. What is the Greek word origin of the word hormone?
Latin.
No, for a bonus. Hormone. It's just hormone. The hormone without the E. Okay? Notre Dame. What is the meaning of hormone? Yes.
Hormone means a chemical substance that affects physical process.
You are defining what a hormone is. I said what for a bonus. So I'm asking for the meaning of the Greek word. Who knows? Okay, it means excite. Okay, excite. St. Charles Minor. What triggers the dispatch of hormones in plants?
The stimulus.
2 out of 3. So, appropriate stimuli or a specific stimuli. And that ends round 1. than -2 you gave is totally wrong. But since you gave the x greater than 6, I should give you 1 out of 3. If you draw the graph, that one just is off. So he's being lenient and giving you 1 out of 3. Yes. So at the end of round 1, Yendi Senior High 5 points, St. Charles Minor Seminary Senior High School 7 points, Notre Dame Seminary Senior High School 14 points, Ghana Senior High Tamale 19 points. Round 2, speed race round. This round questions are to all the schools at the same time. The first to press the bell has the opportunity to answer for 3 points if it's correct. If it's incorrect, the second school that pressed the bell has the opportunity to answer for 2 points if it's correct. If it's incorrect, the third school that pressed the bell has the opportunity to answer for 1 point if it's correct. If it's incorrect, the fourth school can still press the bell and give an answer. If it's correct, 1 point. Incorrect, all incorrect answers, a deduction of 1 point. Remember my 3 seconds rule. So only press the bell when you are ready to answer. Okay. Question 1, 30 seconds. Find the area of triangle ABC given AB equals 10 centimeters, BC equals 12 centimeters, and angle B equals 60 degrees. Ghana Senior High Tamale.
30 root 3 centimeter squared.
That's correct. Next. 30 seconds. Solve the equation cos x equals -√3/2 in the interval x greater than pi/2 but less than pi. Yes, Ghana Senior High Tamale.
5 pi on 6.
Yes. Next. Next. Factorize completely. X cubed plus 3x squared minus 4x minus 12. Yes, Notre Dame.
In a pair of brackets, x plus 2. Another pair of brackets, x minus 2. And the last pair of brackets, x plus 3.
Yes. 30 seconds. 65 centimeter cube of a 0.80 mole per decimeter cube solution of HCl is diluted to a concentration of 0.20 moles per decimeter cube using deionized water. Calculate the total volume of the new solution. Yes, Notre Dame.
260 centimeter cube.
Incorrect. Yes, St. Charles Minor.
26 centimeter cube.
No. Yes, Ghana Senior High School Tamale.
325 centimeter cube.
That's correct. Determine the sum of the coefficients of reactants and products in the balanced equation of the reaction H2O plus P2O3 going into H3PO4 plus PH3. The balanced equation is 6H2O plus 2P2O3 going into 3H3PO4 plus PH3. So 6 plus 2 plus 3 plus 1 is 12. 30 seconds. Calculate the EMF of a cell formed from Ti2 plus / Ti with E naught equals negative 0.164 volts. And Cr2 plus / Cr with E naught equals negative 0.909 volts are connected. Notre
0.745 volts.
That's correct. Next, 30 seconds. Find the power developed by a 16 Newton force when its point of application moves at 4.0 meters per Ghana Senior High.
Wow, 64 watt.
Yes. Next, 30 seconds. If a primary coil of a transformer contains 100 turns, how many turns must the second coil contain to yield a secondary voltage of 15 volts when the primary voltage is 60 volts? Notre Dame?
25 turns.
Yes. Next, 30 seconds. Find the length of a terrestrial simple pendulum whose period is 4.0 seconds. Ghana Senior High?
4.0 meters.
That is correct. Next. 10 seconds. What name is given to animals that feed on seeds? Ghana Senior High?
We have herbivorous.
No. Granivores. Granivores. Yes. You learn something every day. Yes. Next one. What prevents the development of what prevents the development of auxiliary buds into branches? Yes, Ghana Senior High.
Apical dominance.
That is correct. Last question. Last question for round 2. Last question for round 2. What does the Latin word hybrid in hybridization stand for? Ghana Senior High, Tamale.
So that's the similar characteristics that's observed between organisms.
Yes, St. Charles Minor.
Hybrid means organisms that are produced from parents who are genetically unalike.
No. So, the Latin word hybrid means crossbreed. I wanted the meaning of the word, not what does hybridization mean. Crossbreed or mongrel. And that ends round 2. Yendi Senior High, 5 points. St. Charles Minor Seminary Senior High, 5 points. Notre Dame Seminary Senior High School, 22 points. Ghana Senior High Tamale, 33 points. Round 3. Please. Please. Please, I'm begging you. It's late. Let us finish. Then you can celebrate, please. Thank you very much. We move to round 3. But before we do, substitution for Notre Dame. Benedict is coming in for Cyril. Okay. Round 3, round of true or false statements. I pose a statement to each school, and contestants, you have 10 seconds to tell me whether the statement I made is true or false. Correct answer, 2 points. Incorrect answer, deduction of 1 point. So you don't guess. So if you don't know, leave it. And let me pass it on. So that the first school that presses the bell gets the opportunity to answer for 2 points if it's correct, but a deduction of 1 point if it is incorrect. We start. I will start from Ghana Senior High Tamale, by the preamble. In a small population, Ghana Senior High, inbreeding prevents gene flow.
False.
Incorrect. Yendi Senior High, rare genotypes rarely participate in the production of the next generation.
True.
No. Notre Dame, founder effect is rare.
True.
No. St. Charles Minor, genetic bottlenecks can occur.
True.
It's true. Another preamble. A fixed quantity of an ideal gas undergoes an isothermal process. A fixed quantity of an ideal gas undergoes an isothermal process. Ghana Senior High Tamale. The work done by the gas in the process is 0. It's on.
False.
False. Yendi Senior High, the work done by the gas in the process equals the process pressure times the change in volume of the gas.
False.
False. Notre Dame, the work done by the gas in the process is proportional to the process thermodynamic temperature.
False.
No. St. Charles Minor, the work done by the gas in the process is proportional to the final volume divided by the initial volume of the gas.
False.
Yes, it's false. Ghana Senior High Tamale, nuclear charge refers to the total charge of all the protons in an atom's nucleus.
True.
It's true. Yendi Senior High, the nuclear charge of an atom is always equal to its atomic number.
False.
No. Notre Dame, Effective nuclear charge increases as one moves down a group in the periodic table.
False.
False. St. Charles Minor. Effective nuclear charge increases as one moves from right to left across a period.
False.
False. A preamble. If n squared is divisible by 6, then if n squared is divisible by 6, then Ghana Senior High, n is divisible by 6.
False.
No. Yendi, n squared is divisible by 18.
False.
No. Notre Dame. N squared is divisible by 12.
True.
Yes, it's true. St. Charles Minor. N squared is divisible by 36.
It's true.
It's true. Ghana Senior High, Tamale. Mendel worked with Pisum sativa.
True.
No. Yes. Yendi Senior High. Gregory Mendel was the first to propose a theory on heredity.
False.
Yes, it's false. Notre Dame. Mendel followed the sharing of individual traits.
True.
No. St. Charles Minor. Mendel had a background in mathematics.
It's true.
Yes, it's true. Ghana SHS Tamale. A moving electric charge generates a magnetic field.
True.
It's true. Yendi. The magnetic field generated by a moving charge is in the same direction as the velocity of the charge.
True.
No. Notre Dame. The magnetic field generated by a moving charge is perpendicular to the voltage of the charge. Sorry, to the velocity of the charge.
True.
Yes, it's true. St. Charles Minor. The magnetic field generated by a moving charge is independent of the distance between the charge and the observation point.
It's true.
No. Ghana SHS, Tamale. Decomposition reaction can be endothermic or exothermic.
False.
Incorrect. Yendi Senior High. Decomposition reactions are characterized by a higher number of reactants than products.
False.
It's false. Notre Dame. The electrolytic splitting of water into hydrogen and oxygen is a decomposition reaction.
True.
Yes, it's true. St. Charles Minor. Decomposition reaction always results in the formation of two or more products.
True.
True. The last set of statements for round 3. Preamble. In the interval x greater than 0 but less than pi over 2. In the interval x greater than 0 but less than pi over 2. Ghana SHS Tamale. Sin x is less than cos x.
False.
False. Yendi Senior High. Cos x is less than sin x.
False.
False. Notre Dame. Sin x is less than tan x.
True.
True. St. Charles Minor Seminary. Cos x is less than tan x.
It's true.
No. And that ends round 3. High, 9 points. St. Charles Minor Seminary Senior High, 15 points. Notre Dame Seminary Senior High, 29 points. And Ghana Senior High School, Tamale, 37 points. Okay, quickly. Round 4. I'll be reading clues to one particular thing. When you think you know, you draw my attention by ringing your bell. Correct answer on the first clue, 5 points. Second clue, 4 points. Any other number of clues thereafter, 3 points. Incorrect, you have to sit out for that riddle. When we come back, then you join us. Riddle, at stake in this round is the Girl Riddle Bonanza. If you're able to solve 3 riddles correctly, you get 200 points. You solve 4 riddles correctly, 400 cedis. The Girl Riddle Bonanza is proudly sponsored by Girl, Good Energy. Riddle 1. I am a unit in the SI system. My symbol is a single capitalized letter. St. Charles Minor.
Juice.
Incorrect. Yendi.
Temperature.
No. I am a derived unit. I occur in the definition of such other SI units as the Joule and Notre Dame.
The Newton.
Newton is correct. 3 points. Next. I'll save this for the last. I am an important surface process involving solid and liquids. I can occur through physical or chemical forces. I am essential during water treatment, particularly during the addition of alum. Isotherms, such as the Langmuir or Friedrich isotherms, often describe me. I play a significant role in chromatography. Ghana Senior High, Tamale.
Filtration.
No. I am the phenomenon where molecules or atoms adhere to the surface.
Adsorption.
Say it again.
Adsorption.
Yes. 3 points. Next riddle. I am a line segment. You may find me in a polygon.
Diagonal.
Yes. 4 points. So they solved it on the second clue, 4 points. Last riddle. Last riddle. We are a group of reptiles. We are mainly studied by paleontologists. We may have been
Dinosaurs.
Yes, dinosaurs. So they also solved it. So they also solved it on the second clue, 4 points. And that ends round 4. the end of the contest, wow. So, Yendi Senior High, 9 points. St. Charles Minor Seminary Senior High School, 15 points. Notre Dame Seminary Senior High School, 39 points. And Ghana Senior High School, Tamale, 41 points. Okay. So Notre Dame, Notre Dame Senior High School, you solved 3 of the riddles correctly, so you win 200 Ghana cedis. And so far, you have the highest runner-up. If it remains the same, I might be seeing you at the semi-finals. Congratulations to Ghana Senior High Tamale for winning the contest. I'll be seeing you at, oh, you won, but you're not happy. I'll be seeing you at the semi-finals. Please do join us for the next contest, which will feature St. Francis Xavier Senior High School, Tamale Islamic Senior High School, Sirigu Integrated Senior High School, Bolgatanga Girls Senior High School, and Regent Troffin Senior High School. The Goal Regional Championship is proudly sponsored by GOL, with support from Joy News. We acknowledge also the support from CHAS in preparing these brilliant students to participate in the competition. I am Dr. Anita Upon, your quiz mistress, and this is a Primetime production. Thank you.
Ohima, no be taking number first.
By you. You actually say take the number give me.
Guys, now I'm tired. I'll go on a date with whoever gets here first.
Princess, really?
Okay, I come.
Shut up!
Mame, Philip, mama wati.
Boss, fill my tank with Super XP Ron 95.
Well up with Super XP Ron 95 and Diesel XP high performance products from Goyle.
Sorry, Tony got here first, so I'm stepping with him.
Oh,
cut him.
hey, kufuna buajungwa mami.
Choose Super XP Ron 95 and Diesel XP for an energizing driving experience. Always go for Goyle Super XP Ron 95. Goyle, good energy.
Goyle is good energy.
Ohima, no be taking number first.
By you. You actually say take the number give me.
Guys, now I'm tired. I'll go on a date with whoever gets here first.
Princess, really?
Okay, I come.
Shut up!
Mame, Philip, mama wati.
Boss, fill my tank with Super XP Ron 95.
Well up with Super XP Ron 95 and Diesel XP high performance products from Goyle.
Sorry, Tony got here first, so I'm stepping with him.
Oh,
Cut him.
hey, kufuna buajungwa mami.
Choose Super XP Ron 95 and Diesel XP for an energizing driving experience. Always go for Goyle Super XP Ron 95. Goyle, good energy.
Goyle is